What is the real meaning of broom in dreams? Today we are going to know all the possible meanings of these types of dreams. So there are some common types of broom dreams that people see during sleep. Number 1. If someone sees a broom somewhere in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates the ending of life problems soon. As well as this dream also suggests new beginning in life. But before that, you will have to face lots of big changes. Some will be very positive, but some changes will force you to make necessary changes in life. Only then you will be able to get the desired results despite difficulties in real life. Now, number 2, if someone sees buying new broom in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates any kind of big profit from a business, job, etc. Or you are going to get new opportunities for success in real life. Now, number 3, if you see someone else cleaning with a broom in a dream, then it indicates easy success in any work, project, or planning with the support of others. Or you are going to meet someone special in life who will help and support you in the coming future as a friend, lover, or partner in real life. Now, number 4, if someone sees a broken broom in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to remove negative thoughts and feelings from your mind and life, because these things are hindering your progress in real life. So, to avoid these problems, this is the right time to leave your past mistakes, guilt, frustrations, etc. in the past and just focus on your strengths and current goals with passion and dedication in real life. Only then you will be able to get the desired results in real life. Now, number 5, if someone sees sweeping or cleaning with broom in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates the ending of those problems in life which have been bothering you for a long time. So, to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to think big and focus on your goals according to priority in real life. Now, number 6, if someone sees flying with broom in a dream, then this dream is considered good and indicates freedom and success and an upcoming good time in which you will make progress in every aspect of life very easily. So, to take the maximum benefit from it, this is the right time to set some new and big goals in real life. Now, number 7, if someone sees holding a broom in his or her hands in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you have chosen the right path in life, or you have made any kind of right decision in life that will give you many desired results in real life. Now, number 8, if someone sees a broomstick in a dream, then it indicates that you need to work hard to get the desired results in life. Only then you will be able to get the desired results easily in real life. Now, number 9, if you see someone giving you a broom in a dream, then this dream is also considered good and indicates that you are going to face lots of positive changes in life that will make you more confident and successful person in life. But sometimes this dream also suggests that you are going to meet someone special in life who can become your true friend or partner in real life. Now, number 10, if you see hitting someone with broom in a dream, then this dream gives a kind of warning to take your life responsibility yourself. Because sometimes we blame others for something, but actually we are the only one who is responsible for all good and bad things in life. So, to avoid these things, you should focus on yourself and your goals with dedication. Only then you will be able to get the desired outcome in real life. Now, number 11, if someone sees losing or lost broom somewhere in a dream, then it indicates loss of power or destruction from life purpose and goals due to any kind of fear, worry, or past bad experiences. So, to avoid these things, just leave your past in the past as soon as possible. Only then you will be able to focus on your goals in real life.